Hey, what's with the sad face?
I locked my keys inside, so now I am heading over to a friend's house to stay the night, until my roommate gets home tomorrow.
Did you try calling a locksmith? I locked my keys in my flat the other week and called this guy Kevin at Sheehan Locksmiths. Do you want the number?
Yes, please.
0412153846 and check them out online at sheehanlocksmiths.com.
Thank you so much, it's always great to have a personal recommendation.
Yes, they were great. They arrived at my place within 15 minutes and I paid exactly what they quoted me on the phone. They were police licensed and have over 20 years experience.
So what were the details again?
0412153846, sheehanlocksmiths.com, and they're 24-hour, 7 days a week and guarantee same-day emergency service.